We started from Frankfurt, Germany on the 28th of April this year, 2022. We have passed through 7 countries. Turkey is our 8th country in a row. So we went from Germany to Czech Republic, Austria, Slovakia, Hungary, Romania and Bulgaria, after which we entered Turkey. So this equals about 5,500 kilometers in total. But our route actually is about 20,000 kilometers, so we are 1/4, and we plan to cross about 20 countries in total. How many kilometers we travel, that really depends on the elevation of the area we are in. Turkey is quite mountainous. So here I would say about 80 kilometers roughly, but of course if we are in a flatter area, then this could be on average about 100 kilometers a day. We are very satisfied with how we are progressing. So we basically, our journey, our project is about nature conservation, about meeting people, discovering and documenting how people are dedicating their life to protecting nature. And until now we have met in the 8 countries that we passed more than 40 organizations and individuals who work in nature conservation. So we are very, very happy about that. And we are quite spontaneous when it comes to our route planning. So we don't plan very far ahead where we are going to stay, what we are going to see. We are talking to people and basically planning quite spontaneously. And we are not seeking accommodations. We are usually camping, wild camping in nature to get the best and most nature experience possible. Turkey is an extremely interesting country for us. In Europe, we didn't really hear much about the nature and the natural diversity in Turkey. Before we entered, we didn't know much about it. We knew that we want to come here because this is kind of a crossroad, a bridge between Europe and Asia, and that also means a bridge for nature, for wildlife. There is extremely high natural diversity here. We also heard from other travelers, cyclists who came to Turkey that the people are very, very hospitable. And that has been very true. We met so many kind people, so many incredibly generous people in Turkey. This hospitality is absolutely unique for us. And when it comes to nature conservation, we've met countless people, Turkish people, who work in this field, who dedicate to protect the valuable nature here. So we are extremely amazed and cannot wait to spend about 1 more month here in Turkey and cycle about still 1,000 kilometers ahead of us through eastern Turkey.
We started our journey on the 28th of April from Frankfurt in Germany. We already passed 7 countries, Turkey is number 8, and we traveled 5,500 kilometers, which is around 1/4 of the journey we're going to do, because we want to travel 20 countries in 1.5 years. We travel around 70 to 80 kilometers per day when it's flat, even up to 120, and in total we want to do 20,000 kilometers. Our journey is going amazing so far. In the 8 countries we've visited so far, we've visited over 40 organizations and individuals, and it's been amazing to hear all the stories, to see what people are doing. Most of the time we wild camp, but especially here in Turkey, people have been very kind to us, so actually many times we had the chance to stay in their homes with them. We really love Turkey. The people are amazing, the nature is super interesting. We didn't know much about Turkey before we came to it. We just knew that it's the crossroad between Europe, Asia and Africa. So we were excited to explore the biodiversity. And yeah, it's really been amazing.